Joining us now in a first on CNBC interview is Sarepta CEO Doug Ingram. Doug, great to have you with us.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
This expanded label obviously means more sales. Bank of America has already said that at peak sales number, they see it as $4 billion, up from $2.5 billion. Does that sound right? An incremental $1.5 billion in sales?
It's an enormous opportunity, and we haven't provided a lot of detail on the peak year sales, but this is a massive opportunity. It's first and foremost a massive opportunity for Duchenne families who are living with life-limiting and life-ending disease and have been waiting a very long time for this moment. It's an enormous opportunity for the field of gene therapy. This is a bellwether for good science. And finally, to your very good point, this is a momentous day for Sarepta, for all of our employees who have fought so hard for this approval, but also for those who've invested in us and have taken the risk of investing on a therapy that might bring a better life to families living with this devastating disease.
Absolutely. I mean, this drug potentially would cover everybody in the United States with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. So a huge step forward, particularly when Pfizer pulled the studies of its drug just a couple weeks ago or so. I'm wondering, though, if the controversy around the approval could actually impact the sales of the drug. If you just follow me, Peter Marks, who is the FDA director of the Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, overruled 3 review teams as well as 2 top lieutenants in order to get this drug across the finish line here, Doug. And some people are saying that perhaps this could impact whether or not payers are willing to pay for this very expensive drug. Or if it could become the next Aduhelm, which, of course, is a drug that also had a sort of similar controversial approval process, and ultimately the payers limited access to this drug, and it was discontinued.
So a couple of thoughts. First, the science that supports this therapy is brilliant. And in the words of the decisional memo, which is the FDA memo that supports the therapy, it was compelling. So to anyone who's curious about all of the wealth of evidence that justifies this broad label, I would simply ask them to spend some time looking at the science and understanding the decisional memo. The second thing to know is that the opportunity itself is massive, both to help patients. Your point, this is a very broad label that can help the vast majority of patients with Duchenne muscular dystrophy and their families. And then the third question, of course, the third big issue is whether we can execute. And the short answer is that there is undoubtedly, and I don't think there are many people who will disagree with this, there is really no organization better prepared to execute and make this therapy a success than Sarepta. I would remind folks that we have been doing this for a very long time. We've been serving the Duchenne community for many years. This is our 4th therapy. We've grown, if we're going to focus on revenue as a marker for the success that we've had, we've grown since the beginning of 2017 at a compound annual growth rate of about 115%. We launched this therapy in a very narrow group of patients, just 4 to 5-year-old, very, very narrow, last June. And in the first 6 months of launch, we did $200 million. We served that community brilliantly. In fact, we almost doubled all of the other gene therapy revenue in that same period that have been approved in the last few years combined. So we are well prepared to execute. We have a great relationship with payers. We've had great conversations with payers, and they've actually done a very nice job of giving these kids access as they need, since this disease is killing them.
Yeah, and you made that point clear on the conference call that you held this morning with analysts that your company is ready for this commercial launch. There's many infusion sites that are ready to go. You've manufactured the drug, et cetera, and that you'd have no need right now to raise any more funds. But a 30% pop in the stock seems like a great opportunity, Doug.
We said today on the call, the classic biotech playbook is you get a pop like this, and then you use it as the basis for a raise. And the reason that people do that, the reason biotechs do that, is biotechs typically need money. They are usually, most of them are in a stage where they're not profitable. We're in a rarefied position. We are a profitable organization already, both on a non-GAAP basis, and often on a GAAP basis. We'll be cash flow positive in the next couple of quarters. We have very robust revenue. We have a lot of cash on our balance sheet, and we simply don't need to raise money right now. We're really just focusing on deploying the resources that we have right now and making sure that this launch is maximally successful. We feel an enormous amount of opportunity here, but we feel an enormous obligation to these patients to get this right.